The most expensive house ever built in the world is not in America, nor in New York. Believe it or not, it is in India, in the bustling city of Mumbai. Whenever this house comes up in videos, it always sparks excitement, and today, once again, we are going to talk about it. This massive 27-story building is the private home of India's business tycoon, Mukesh Ambani, and it is known by the name Antilia. According to many estimates, this house is worth around $2 billion, which means about 15,000 crore rupees. But there are some who argue that Antilia is not the most expensive residence, because Buckingham Palace in London is valued at around $5 billion. The difference, however, is that Buckingham Palace is a royal property, while Antilia is a private home. And if we say that Antilia is the most expensive private residence in the entire world, then that statement would not be wrong at all. Now, what makes this house so luxurious that it holds this title? That is exactly what you are going to discover in today's video. To begin with, there are several rooms inside Antilia that the family never even uses. And that is why, although the house is officially 27 stories high, it sometimes looks more like a 50 or even 60-story skyscraper. The first 6 floors of Antilia are entirely dedicated to a lavish car parking area. This parking space can hold 170 cars at the same time. Many of you probably already know that Mukesh Ambani is extremely fond of luxury cars, and his personal collection includes around 168 cars. Apart from the parking area, Antilia even has its own car service station, where only the Ambani family's cars are serviced. But if traveling by car doesn't feel exciting enough, then there is always the helicopter option. On the roof of Antilia, there are 3 helipads waiting at any moment to take off. From the parking area, the path leads into a royal lobby. Inside this lobby, not 1 or 2 but 9 separate elevators are installed. And these elevators are designed in such a way that, apart from the Ambani family, if anyone else uses them, they can only stop on the specific floor assigned to them. Just above this, there are 2 floors that together form a recreational center. This center includes a swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, a juice bar, a dance studio, and even a yoga studio. As you go higher, you come across a spa, a salon, and even massage rooms. Alongside these, there is also a massive hall which can be transformed and used for different types of events. When it comes to entertainment, Antilia also has its very own cinema hall where 50 people can sit together and enjoy a movie. The house also has countless terraces and balconies, and all around you can see beautiful greenery and plantations. Even the walls of Antilia have vertical gardens, which are designed to keep the rooms and walls cool during the hot summer season. Speaking of coolness, here is something even more surprising. In June and July, when the temperature in Mumbai is around 40 degrees Celsius, inside Antilia, there is a section where the temperature can drop all the way down to -3 degrees. Yes, you heard it right. This house has its very own winter wonderland, which creates artificial snow using special generators. Imagine enjoying snow in the middle of Mumbai's blazing heat. The design of this gigantic structure was created by a Chicago-based architectural firm called Perkins & Will, while the interior was designed by an Australian company known as Leighton Holdings. And here's something truly astonishing. This 400,000 square foot building was built only for 5 people: Mukesh Ambani, his wife Nita Ambani, and their 3 children. But even more surprising is the fact that in order to serve and maintain this house, 600 staff members have been hired. Yes, 600 people. This includes chefs, cleaners, drivers, security guards, electricians, and plumbers. For their comfort, an entire floor of Antilia is dedicated just for the staff to live in. The construction of this house used massive amounts of marble, crystals, and even rare pearls. Alongside all the world-class entertainment and facilities, Antilia also has a beautiful temple with statues of many Hindu deities, where the family worships. Mukesh Ambani is not just the owner and chairman of Reliance Industries, but he is also considered the richest person in Asia, not only in India. In fact, India, which is the world's second most populated country, owes a large portion of its exports to Mukesh Ambani, which is no doubt a remarkable achievement. This is why Mukesh Ambani is often listed among the wealthiest people in the entire world. With a net worth of more than $90 billion, or nearly 3,900 crore rupees, he currently holds the 15th position on the list of the world's richest billionaires. And if you are curious to know where Mukesh Ambani spends so much of this massive fortune, then make sure to like this video. If we reach 100,000 likes, I will create another detailed video on that very topic. And if you already know some other amazing facts about Antilia, then don't forget to share them in the comments section below. Until then, I will see you in the next fascinating video.